Arrive in style with this 2002 Toyota 4Runner SR5. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are variable speed intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, steel wheels, 4-wheel drive, bucket seats, brake assist, and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.